I don't know what's inside this box, but we're about to find out. Actually, I know exactly what's inside this box, and I'm super excited to unbox it for you. What's inside here is what we call a Boglin. Now, what's a Boglin? First, a little quick history. Boglins were a series of toy puppets distributed by Mattel. They were created by Tim Clarke, Maureen Trotto, and Larry Mass, and licensed by Stephen Towns. The original run of Boglins was released in 1987, coinciding with a creatures craze that included ghoulies, critters, and gremlins. Boglins were goblin-themed hand puppets made of flexible rubber and could be manipulated to represent speech and facial expressions. Several series of large and small Boglins were released until 1994, with additional aquatic, Halloween, and baby-themed Boglins released later into the line. Are you guys ready for the unboxing? Let's go. Well, here he is, King Wart. Look at this guy. Look how super awesome he is. Before I open it, I must add that I love how they packaged this thing. I mean, nothing screams goblin more than getting your goblin in an actual cage, you know? Like he's just ready to come out and attack. So now I got my Boglin out and I got it all put together. You have to attach the tail to it, which is super easy. And now I'm gonna show you King Wart. Here he is, check him out. Look at the eyes, look how realistic they are. And I can move the mouth right here easily with my hands. Wow. I am such a huge fan of Boglins. I've always been a huge fan of Jim Henson and puppets since I was a kid. And matter of fact, the creator of Boglins, I had the opportunity to interview several years ago. His name was Tim Clarke, and he created these, and he also got to work on many sets with Jim Henson, including the Dark Crystal and the Muppets and all that kind of stuff. Just look him up. Great guy, great creative. And yeah, I just absolutely love my Boglin, and I actually have another one on its way. But the detail is great. The only thing I will say that's different, I feel like, than the one I had back in the 90s is that the mechanism that makes his eyes move up and down, it just feels a little cheaper than when I was a kid. The other one just felt just a little bit more sturdy. This one just kind of quickly moves the eyes back and forth. But that's okay. This thing's probably just gonna go up on a shelf anyway, or if my nieces come over, my nephew, we're gonna get it out and play Boglins and all that fun stuff. So, what do you guys think of Boglins? Do you collect Boglins? Did you have one in the 90s? Are you tempted to get a Boglin now? I will tell you, once you start, it's hard to stop purchasing these guys because there's so many cool ones out there. I can't wait to get my next one and add it to my collection. Anyways, guys, I'm Chris Canote with Canote Films. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.